guys, welcome back. So this is the second day of my Christmas or 12 days of Christmas collaboration, and I've decided to do Christmas trees today. The reason being, my eldest Alex, he bought a little Christmas tree that's about that big from the shop while we were down in Yorkshire, and because he's been playing with it so much, it started to fall apart. So I told him that I would make him a new Christmas tree, but when I asked him what colours he wanted, he said he wanted blue, green and red. I didn't think those colours would go right with each other, so I am going to be making 3 separate Christmas trees. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I've not decided whether I'll be doing all 3 of them on camera, but I can at least do 2 of them on camera today. So if you don't know what the 12 days of Christmas is, there's a bit of silicone loose there. It's basically a celebration of Christmas. You can do the whole 12 days or you can just do a few days. It is up to you, and the more the merrier are welcome. So if you want to check the rest of the artists out, I do have a playlist down at the bottom, and I do recommend going to see them all because they are all absolutely brilliant artists, and I am very grateful to all of them for taking part. So thank you for that, guys. It really does mean a lot to me, considering this is the first collaboration I've done on my own. And yeah, I really appreciate it. I really do. So without further ado, I'm going to get my resin mixed up. We're going to put them in 2 different cups. I'm going to decide what colours I'm doing for today. Yeah, we're going to get this started. So just give me 2 minutes. We'll mix up the resin and I'll be right back. So with these, I used Let's Resin, epoxy resin, and I mixed up around, I think it was 450, which was way too much. And I knew it was way too much, but I managed to get a few extras in with the rest of the resin, so it wasn't too bad. I did find another Christmas tree in my Christmas box, so I got that out, and I did a red one as well. You will see that later on when we're demoulding. The pigments I'm using are, there's a few of them that are from Amazon. They were quite cheap, so I don't know what brand they are. And the glittery ones I got from Temu, and I think they're still on there at the moment. I don't really link anything off of Temu because they tend to disappear as soon as I get to them. So if you do want to grab yourself a few, I would go on Temu and just put something like glittery alcohol links or something, and it should come up. Now, I wasn't initially going to be putting interference powder in this, but I thought the other day I put some interference powder into a few little bears that I did for my baby keepsakes, and I just think it just gave the Christmas tree a little bit of shimmer and shine without it being too like glittery. So yeah, I think it was a good decision putting that in. The other thing is you couldn't see the glittery alcohol in these Christmas trees because they are matte. Because I've not used these Christmas trees before, I didn't realise that, they were that matte. So yeah, putting that little bit of extra shimmer in it actually really helped, because that actually came through the matte mould really nicely. So I'm just giving it a squish, making sure to get as many bubbles out as possible, and just pouring the rest in. So I will let you watch the rest of the process, and I'll see you for demold, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to do a quick demold with you. I've already demolded this one and it's come out really nice. There's no bubbles from what I can see. Oh, correction, there's some bubbles just right there, can you see? But other than those, this has come out really nice. It's a really nice green and you can see the shimmer from the interference. So let's see what there's been a bit of overspill on this one, so I might have to do this off camera. Oh, this is a pretty colour as well. These are really difficult. I'm trying to not. Oh goodness. Okay, just put that back. Right, so that's the blue one. Another nice one. I think there's just that one bubble there, but I think the rest has come out pretty clean. I can see one more bubble there, but other than that, I think this one's come out pretty nice. And again, a lovely shimmer from the interference powder. And this one I did off camera because I didn't realise I had this. So just give me a minute. If I knew I had this one, I would probably put the blue one in this one rather than that other one. Because, I'll show you why. So that's the red one. This is the one I did off camera. You see these here? They're almost like snowflakes. Or snow. But, just because it's red doesn't mean it can't have snow on it. There are quite a few bubbles on the bottom there, but you're not going to be seeing the bottom, so that's not quite as important as if it's on the leaves. So yeah, that's come out really nice as well. And I've demolded all my extras, as you can see, and they've all come out really nice. And if I'm honest, I've not seen any bubbles in these at all. So I think I managed to get away with that. Even in this. The last time I poured this, it did have a few bubbles in it, but I think I got away with it this time. There's not any bubbles in that one. So, when I will come back in just maybe a few hours after. I've not had my tea yet, so that's what I'm going to be doing. After that, I'm going to be doing some stuff to these and making them sparkle a little bit. I don't want to make them sparkle too much because I want my eldest to actually appreciate these as he gets older, so I don't think he's going to want much glitter on his Christmas trees, but that's what I'm going to do anyway. So I will be back with you in, well, it's a few hours for me, it's a few minutes, like seconds for you. So yeah, just if you just give me a few hours, I will be back and we will be doing these guys and finishing them off. Alright, see you later.
stars are hanging diamonds in the velvet winter night. I hear the laughter echo from a home that feels so right. It's Christmas, sweet Christmas tonight. Candles flicker in the window, warm as every heart I know. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Hold me just a little closer, underneath the tree. This snowlight Christmas feels like home to me. The kettle's singing softly while the kids build snowy dreams, and cinnamon is dancing through the air in gentle beams. We wrap our hopes in ribbons, tie them tight at all the seams. It's Christmas, we live in the dream. Hear the choir down the lane now, singing joy again somehow. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Hold me just a little closer, underneath the tree. This snowlight Christmas feels like home to me.
And that's the end of the video, guys. I want to thank all of you for watching. Subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It really does help it get out there so other people can see my videos, and I do really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, then please consider doing so. It's only a click away, and it just helps me build my channel. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.